Guys, so in this video I'm going to go over the tire pressures I ran at VIR and how the tires performed. It's not going to be a review as much as just give you an idea if you're at VIR about what pressure to start with cold. I don't run warmer, so that's important to know, but I did measure them hot off the track pressures, and I have a friend there that does run warmers, and I'll give you what pressure he runs on a ZX10 Gen 5 255 TD as well. All right, so I just want to give you some information so you can compare. I'm 250 pounds suited, probably a little more than that. My pace is intermediate. I run mid 140s with open track. 142 is my best. Most of the time I'm running high 140s with intermediate traffic. I do run traction control on 2, but it's custom tuned. It's more like 1.5 on the Gen 4. And let's see, what else? There are 3 days on these tires, 3 complete track days, 2 at CMP, which is right heavy, and 1 at VIR. And I'm just going to show you the tires because I think it'll help you set your pressures, or at least it gives you a good idea. All right, so this is the rear tire, and I don't know if the video is going to show you, but you can see that it's still right. It's worn heavier to the right than the left, and that's from the 2 days at CMP. This is a 34-pound hot tire, and it actually, I think that if I would have went to 35, 36, it may have performed better, because some of what you see is after it cooled off some, and I didn't have the pace in the later laps or later sessions because of traffic and my running off and other issues, that I didn't get the heat in them like I had earlier. But this is just a good idea of the wear at 34 pounds hot. And I've given you the other, like my weight, my pace, and I do run traction control. And like I said, this is 3 days. It's 3 days on this TD. Front, same thing. I'm gonna show you the front. This is a 34-pound hot as well. I set them both cold in the morning at 28, expecting it to warm up or gain some pressure. And I never touched the front through the day, and looking at it, I think it wore pretty good. I don't really need to adjust that, but yeah, that's just my pressures. I just want to go over them, just give so people have an idea of where to set them when at VIR and you're running the Pirelli TD. You know what to shoot for, or at least what my wear is like there. And anyway, I'll cut this video short.